Elliott's watching his train go bam. Taking a picture of it. They're moving it back and forth. Boy, is he having a time of his life. At the end. He waved. I know he's still honking, huh? Okay, I'm gonna. Alright, part 2. They're putting the trains on the other track, and then they're gonna come on through. So Elliott's waiting patiently. I know, good job, buddy. Alright, shall we wait for him to come back through?
Yeah.
Alright. Elliott, are we waiting for your train to come back?
Yeah.
It looks like it's getting ready to come back right now. He's gonna come back. Getting on the other track. Still waiting for the train. They should be back this way. They're taking a long time. Okay. Gonna take a pause for the cars and wait for him to move on. Alright, here comes the train. There goes the arms. Alright, here comes Elliott's train. Bells are ringing. Here goes the horn. No horn? That was weird.